Hello and welcome back. So I have in front of me a Commodore 64 that I just got. It was in the box. I'm thinking maybe that this top of the case here should go to be in the sun, which would of course mean I need to take the keyboard out. Now one thing here that's not working, the only thing that I can find that's not working is the shift lock key. So anyway, the monitors are coming alive. Oh, I still have Zone Ranger in there. I have never heard of Zone Ranger before. Never, ever, 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 ever. Well, let's see. Let's shift this over here so I can get this joystick in front of me. Activision. Activision make good stuff. All right. So F3 gets you another player. F1 is just one. All right. I'm going to chase that thing. I'm going to get it. Oh, my God. I don't know what that did. It's like a wormhole thing. Oh, come on. Oh, I've done another wormhole thing. You know what? Boom, I'm dead. I am not particularly good at this game, I think. Dead again. What's that thing? I don't know. Oh. I've gone somewhere. See, the funny thing I find with this thing is oh, I guess I'm in a maze. I guess I have to avoid things. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to get that other thing. How do I know? Oops. No, 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 no. Go down. No, go down. Down. Keep bouncing around. Keep bouncing around. I have no idea. I guess I need to get that thing. There, I got that thing. Oh, now I'm back outside of that thing. Oh. Now, is that a good thing? Oh. I guess I'm back in the game. Hold down the fire button on fire. Death. Ah, death. Death. Mission terminated. Well, it does look quite the game. It does. Never heard of it before, and it does seem to work just dandy, as does this joystick. So now I have a pair of matching sticks here, and that's good. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to unplug the joystick. Now, keep in mind, a joystick in port 1 can cause trouble with a keyboard if it's got an auto fire thing or it's tipped over or anything. That is not the case here. Now, the only thing that I can find wrong with this machine at all is the shift lock key. So if I press the shift down and I do an A, I get a sign, like a graphic thing. If I press the other shift down, I get the same graphic thing. The shift lock is supposed to leave it down, well, like on a typewriter, shift lock. So I'm going to hit that a few times. And see if anything makes any difference. Okay, I've hit it a few times. No difference. All right, now I'm going to peek underneath, as difficult as it is, and look and see if I see. See, there are two wires that attach to the shift lock key. There has to be like an actual switch thing. Ooh. Let me think about this. Alright, I need to look for some things. So, next time we meet, I'm going to try and bypass the shift lock key. And see, it may be that the switch is wonky. I was thinking, and I was talking to Rudy, that maybe I should try and spray some deoxit into it. But it's supposed to be just a switch, and it does seem to be switching, and it does seem to be working. But yet it isn't. So, stay tuned, and we'll see what we can do here. Diagnostics are always fun. Bye for now.